There are some amazing qualities in Indians that we have noticed and which is naturally inbuilt.
Watch the video to see if you can relate to it or if you have these qualities.
Hi, this is Madhurika.
Hello, I'm Kasturi. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about traveling and different languages. Things Indians are amazing at.
Number one thing is solution to everything, which is jugaad.
Every small thing, every big thing, we always have a solution for it.
You must have heard of this word jugaad, which is very common. Not how you'll expect the solution to be at the last, but you'll definitely find that solution.
Yes, you name it and you have a solution for the problem. And as she said, it can be anything, but you'll get a solution by the end of it.
Next point is rely on homemade.
We have this habit of creating everything at home. It can be food, it can be a thing that you use, but you will get it at home. Like you go out, you eat something, for example, you go to a restaurant with your family, and your mom will definitely be like, I can make that so much better.
Yes, even if we order something, she'll just say, oh, even I can make this. Like, why to order it? Yeah. Comment down below if you also think that your mom thinks the same way.
The thing that your mom will make will obviously be much more healthier, and which gets to another thing related to homemade is the sustainability and the reuse concept.
We do like to reuse, and we reuse a lot of things for cleaning purposes and even simple things of packaging, and we keep reusing it. We don't like to buy a lot of things.
You find a lot of dabbas at home
That we keep reusing.
Yes.
Next point, that is our point.
Yes, languages.
We are great at languages. I said it. Yes, we are great at languages. Every Indian at least know 2 or 3 languages, and if you're staying in a metropolitan city, it is very common for someone to speak like 4 or 5 languages, and I would never be surprised if someone comes and tell me, oh, I know to speak like 5 languages.
Yeah.
It's a common thing. Like, it's very common because every state in India has a different language, and region sometimes also have a different language. So we are
Multilingual.
Yeah, multilingual. We are
Bilingual.
Multilingual.
Because there are different regions, people come to different cities for work or for studies, so everybody knows a lot of languages, and language is not going to be a barrier if you are in India. So if you're related to that point that Indians are multilingual, we already know languages, and if you want to study more languages, then
we have foreign language courses for you, and if you ever wish that you wanted to study foreign language but you're hesitant that you cannot really study because it's difficult, let me help you out in that, and I can tell you that you can do it because it's just inbuilt in us.
come below
So-
if you want to learn.
Or just reach out to us on Instagram or email on our website. We are there to give you courses and help you out in your foreign language studies. By the way, we also have Indian languages. Which
Yes,
is
you
Hindi.
can learn Hindi, Sanskrit. We have all the links in the description, so go and click it.
Next point is very adaptive in nature.
Yes, we have that ability because there are people coming from within India from different cities to different cities for different purposes, but we get adapted to the environment and we start whatever we have come from.
We are not someone who likes to complain a lot. We adapt very well.
Because you don't have time to complain.
Yes.
You have to move fast. Another thing that we are amazing at is that we have value of money, and also we think about savings.
Saving comes naturally to Indians. Every Indian, every household thinks about saving first when they earn. Even if you are earning something, there is always some amount that is saved.
Saving and bargaining go hand in hand. So the next thing and the last thing that we think about Indians is that we are very hardworking, which is very true.
Because it is also the survival factor that comes in here.
There is survival, there is competition, there is a lot of competition. So even if you don't like what you do, you'll work very hard for it because you have to survive and you have to be there. Everybody has big dreams, so they kind of have to survive.
And also we are hardworking and we are tough at nature, because no matter what the weather conditions are, because let me tell you, in India we do have a very harsh weather. It's not very pleasant all the time. Most part of India is very hot.
Yeah, so we are hardworking and very tough.
So these were some points that we are amazing at, that Indians are amazing at. If you relate, please do comment down below and
Yes.
share it in your groups with your Indian friends, and
share it with
Yes.
everybody. And also, if you have any other habits or things that we do we are amazing at, comment below, we would love to know. And thank you for watching the video.
Don't forget to check our Instagram where we post a lot about India, culture, travel, languages. So do connect to us there. See you soon. Like,
Bye.
share, subscribe.